Okay, so I did another little upgrade, pretty minor one, to my computer. Of course, everybody loves the new AIOs with the LCD displays on them. As you can see there, I've got a Kraken going here, a Kraken 360. But up here in the corner, I bought a second panel, LCD panel. It's made for water blocks that have round displays on them, or they don't come with the display, but you know, it's a nice round water block, and you just adhese them on there and plug it into a USB port. It works great, as you can see. So I'm really happy with that. It's programmable. You know, I can put any animated GIF I want on it. The same with the Kraken. So that looks pretty good overall. I could do the same with the monitor down here, but that's pretty much just a static display just showing a couple of temperatures on there. But that turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. See if we can get a better image of it. You can see the animation I'm showing on there right now. Works great. That was just an empty spot in my computer. I thought it'd be nice to fill it with something. Overall, looks great. I'm really happy with it. This has been a great computer and a great case to build it in. This is a Meshify 2XL. Lots of fun. Having lots of fun with my system now. I have no complaints. Currently running in here an Intel Core i7 14700K and an EVGA, a 3080 Ti FTW3 under a water block. So everything's working great, and it's been the most stable computer I've ever owned. I can't believe how stable it is. It's been excellent. I think one game crashed once since I got it at Christmas, put it together at Christmas. So that's been awesome. And it wasn't even a whole computer crash. It was just the game that crashed. It's been really good. Hey, thanks for checking it out. Later, eh?